Hey, good morning and good evening everywhere around the globe. Hope everyone's fine and peachy today. I was checking out some stuff for work recently and I remembered that phrasal verbs is such a tricky thing for new language learners to use. Quite often, we can pair a verb with another element like a preposition or an adverb, and when we combine these, we can change the meaning of these words. In this video, I'm going to share with you 6 phrasal verbs with go that you can start using in your conversations. Hi there, I'm Joe, your English specialist, and this is Hula. Shall we check out these phrasal verbs with go? Okay. 1. Go after. Dreams are real if you make them happen. No matter what it is, we can say that we often go after our dreams. Can you guess what that means? Yep, go after means to chase an object, a goal, or a person. So for example, Odette has a dream of becoming a lawyer. She took all the exams and preparations to get into law. She is going after her dream. Number 2, go over. I remember as a kid, I was not a fan of exams. We had so many tests and we were always studying. I had to go over my notes over and over again to prepare. As you can see, go over means to review something. You might go over an email, a document, or your reports. You're going to review them and make sure there aren't any mistakes. Number 3, go out. Now, some of the best nights of my life were with my friends. We would share something delicious, go bar hopping, and unwind a little. I always look forward to those nights. We go out, meet people, and socialize. As you can see, go out basically means to leave home and go to a social gathering. Where do you like to go out? 4. Go out with someone. In the dating world, we meet people. We get to know someone, eat a good meal, and have some wonderful conversations. It's great when you can find yourself in a relationship with that person. We often use the expression go out with someone when we refer to someone having a boyfriend or a girlfriend. For example, my friends went out with each other for many years before they got married. Number 5, go on. We use this expression when we want someone to continue, usually in a conversation. So for example, you might interrupt a person in the middle of a conversation and ask a question. After they answer, you could ask them to continue by saying, "Sorry for interrupting, please go on." Number 6, go back. I want to use an example that works in most places. We all have busy lives. We have jobs, families, and commitments. However, we usually return home to see our parents, siblings, and friends during the holiday seasons. Like over here in the USA, people go back to their hometowns during Thanksgiving and Christmas. So go back means to return back to a place or time. We can also use go back in reference to time. Sometimes you might have a nice fond memory when you see a place, smell food, or hear a song. For example, I have this friend, Greg. We don't get to see each other often, but when we do, it's like time hasn't changed. We always go back in time and talk about some great memories that we share. So that wraps up this little video. And now you know 6 phrasal verbs that use go. I hope this brings you a little more understanding and joy in using some of these expressions. Looking at your dreams, What dreams are you going after? Let me know in the comments down below and let's share those dreams. Once again, if you know someone that is studying English and trying to build on their skill, share my video around. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. My name's Joe, your English specialist, and this is Hula. Have yourself a wonderful day and go after those dreams.